Question 1. When overtaking another vehicle at night, you should A. Flash your headlights before overtaking. B. Always use your horn to alert them. C. Overtake only when you can see the road ahead is clear. Answer. C. Overtake only when you can see the road ahead is clear. Nighttime reduces visibility, and you should only overtake when you're certain the road ahead is clear. Question 2. In rainy weather, the stopping distance A. Remains the same as in dry conditions. B. Doubles compared to dry conditions. C. Triples compared to dry conditions. Answer. B. Doubles compared to dry conditions. Rain makes the road slippery, increasing the stopping distance. Question 3. How should you approach a zebra crossing? A. You can keep driving if there's no pedestrian on the crossing. B. You should always stop before the crossing. C. Only slow down if someone is waiting to cross. Answer. C. Only slow down if someone is waiting to cross. Always be prepared to stop, but it's not mandatory unless someone intends to cross. Question 4. Riding with a passenger on your motorcycle means A. You should brake earlier than normal. B. You should use higher gear ratios. C. Your stopping distances will be shorter. Answer. A. You should brake earlier than normal. Additional weight increases stopping distances. Question 5. Which of these is not considered a distraction while riding? A. Listening to music. B. Checking your mirrors. C. Talking on the phone. Answer. B. Checking your mirrors. Mirrors are essential for maintaining situational awareness on the road. Question 6. The left-hand lane on a motorway is used for A. Overtaking only. B. Normal driving. C. Emergency stops. Answer. B. Normal driving. The left-hand lane is the default lane, while other lanes are primarily for overtaking. Question 7. When is it appropriate to use the horn on your motorcycle? A. To greet a friend. B. To signal annoyance. C. To warn others of your presence. Answer. C. To warn others of your presence. The horn should be used as a safety tool, not for personal communication or expression of frustration. Question 8. At a roundabout, motorcyclists should A. Always give way to larger vehicles. B. Only give way to traffic approaching from the right. C. Always go around the roundabout at least twice. Answer. B. Only give way to traffic approaching from the right. This is the standard rule for navigating roundabouts in the UK. Question 9. When you see a solid white line in the center of the road, this means A. Overtaking is permitted. B. No entry in that direction. C. Overtaking is not permitted. Answer. C. Overtaking is not permitted. Solid white lines indicate restrictions on overtaking. Question 10. Motorcyclists are especially vulnerable. A. On dual carriageways. B. At junctions. C. On motorways. Answer. B. At junctions. Other vehicles might not notice motorcyclists, making junctions especially hazardous. Question 11. When you're about to emerge from a junction, you should give way to vehicles. A. Coming from the left. B. Already on the major road. C. Coming from your right. Answer. B. Already on the major road. Always give way to vehicles on the main road when emerging from a junction. Question 12. Motorcyclists are advised to wear reflective clothing. A. Only during the night. B. At all times. C. Only during bad weather. Answer. B. At all times, reflective clothing increases visibility, enhancing safety both day and night. Question 13. When following a vehicle on a wet road, what should be your minimum time gap? A. 1 second. B. 2 seconds. C. 4 seconds. Answer. C. 4 seconds. Wet conditions increase stopping distances, so maintaining a 4-second gap is safer. Question 14. An amber traffic light means A. Go if the way is clear. B. Stop unless stopping might cause an accident. C. Speed up to cross before red. Answer. B. Stop unless stopping might cause an accident. The amber light is a warning that the red light is about to appear. Question 15. When the road is marked with a broken white line, this means A. Overtaking is not permitted. B. There is a hazard ahead. C. You may change lanes if it is safe. Answer. C. You may change lanes if it is safe. Broken white lines indicate that lane changes are allowed given safe conditions. Question 16. Why is it dangerous to ride near the middle of the road after rain? A. Because that's where rainbow appears. B. Due to oil and fuel buildup, making the surface slippery. C. The middle of the road is always the slipperiest part. Answer. B. Due to oil and fuel buildup, making the surface slippery. Rain can mix with oil and fuel residues, making the central part of the lane more hazardous. Question 17. If the national speed limit sign is displayed, a motorcycle can travel up to A. 60 miles per hour on single carriageways. B. 70 miles per hour on dual carriageways. C. 50 miles per hour on motorways. Answer. B. 70 miles per hour on dual carriageways. The national speed limit for motorcycles on dual carriageways is 70 miles per hour. Question 18. When riding in a group, inexperienced riders should A. Always lead the group. B. Ride in the middle. C. Always ride at the back. Answer. B. Ride in the middle. This position allows them to be observed and guided by more experienced riders. Question 19. In which of these situations should you normally overtake? A. When approaching a hump bridge. B. On a straight road with clear visibility. C. When the driver in front has signaled that it's safe. Answer. A. When approaching a hump bridge. Limited visibility and unpredictable road conditions make it unsafe. Question 20. Motorcyclists should especially be aware of which of the following when riding in city traffic? A. Taxis suddenly stopping. B. Birds crossing the road. C. Other motorcycles. Answer. A. Taxis suddenly stopping. Taxis can often stop unpredictably to pick up or drop off passengers. Question 21. The most effective way to brake in an emergency is to A. Use the rear brake only. B. Use both brakes together. C. Use the front brake only. Answer. B. Use both brakes together. In emergencies, applying both brakes can provide maximum stopping power without skidding. Question 22. If your motorcycle begins to skid, it's most likely because A. You're looking in the wrong direction. B. You have braked too hard. C. The horn is malfunctioning. Answer. B. You have braked too hard. Over-braking, especially on slippery surfaces, can cause skids. Question 23. Before starting a journey, you should ensure A. Your horn is loud enough. B. Your mirrors are clean and adjusted. C. You have a full tank of fuel. Answer. B. Your mirrors are clean and adjusted. Proper mirror alignment is crucial for safety to see what's behind and around you. Question 24. Why should you be especially cautious when riding through a tunnel? A. Because of the echoing noise. B. Due to changes in light making it harder to see. C. Tunnels are narrower than roads. Answer. B. Due to changes in light making it harder to see. Rapid changes from light to dark, and vice versa, can momentarily affect vision. Question 25. Which of the following surfaces can be particularly hazardous for motorcyclists? A. Freshly painted road markings. B. Newly laid tarmac. C. Dry concrete. Answer. A. Freshly painted road markings. They can be slippery, especially when wet.